Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is coleslaw. I will not be cutting nothing today. I am using the really old-fashioned coleslaw. The bag. I'm using a whole bag. These different kinds. I'm using this one. I empty it in a mixing bowl and check if there's any big pieces. Take them out. There's not that many of them in this bag. This is the already coleslaw bag, and I use here the best coleslaw dressing. Mary's is the best one that I tried so far. You don't need to add no mayo, no nothing else. That's gluten-free also. For this bag, I'm using a little bit more than the half of this jar. You start with like 4 big spoons. You mix. Depend how you like it. You keep mixing until you get to the texture and the flavor that you like. Mix it really good. And for the coleslaw, it's better to mix it like early on the day, eat it later on, or for the best results, mix it the day before and eat it the next day. That's for the best results. For me, I used more than the half of this jar, and that's the coleslaw. It was easy. A bag of coleslaw and the dressing is delicious, and it can be a side dish for any of your main dishes. Thank you for watching. See you next time in a new video, and enjoy.